To start, ensure that the wall is free from any defects and measure the width and height of the wall. Remove any electrical covers if necessary before applying the primer. Using CS supplied or PVA free water-based primer, apply the sealant to the wall. The primer must dry for no less than 24 hours. To begin installation of Acrovyn by Design, measure all necessary cutouts on the wall and appropriately cut them out of the sheets. Wipe the back of the sheet to remove any dust or dirt. Apply the CS supplied adhesive using a 1/8 inch V-notch trowel. Once the adhesive has become tacky, place the Acrovyn by Design sheet on the wall in the appropriate location. Use a roller to ensure maximum contact with the adhesive. Refer to the installation instructions for spacing between sheets.